I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. What a huge week for 420. Headset said it was processing $60,000 in sales a minute. Planet 13 reported it had done over $500,000 in sales for Tuesday, and Air Wellness said that it saw over 14,000 transactions and logged $1.24 million in sales on April 20th. Congratulations to those companies. Cannabis legalization advocates must be feeling a sense of deja vu this week. Earlier in the week, the House of Representatives approved legislation for the fourth time called the SAFE Act that would provide safe harbor for financial services providers to work with cannabis businesses. Still has to go to the Senate and still get voted on. This was a big week for Jushi Holdings. The company said it bought Nature's Remedy of Massachusetts in a deal valued at $110 million. It is expected to close in the second half of 2021. This deal comes with 2 retail dispensaries and a 50,000 square foot cultivation facility. The company also bought Ojai Grow for $5 million in cash. Now, they weren't able to finish their audited results by the April 30th deadline, but they did release unaudited results. Despite being delayed on the official numbers, the company said revenues increased 30% sequentially in the fourth quarter to $32.3 million. The company also reported that for the full year 2020, revenues increased 690% to $80 million. GrowGen keeps on expanding. They announced that they were buying Downriver Hydroponics, a Michigan-based garden supply store. They didn't say how much they paid for the company, but they did say that Downriver does about $10 million a year. Parallel, one of the largest privately held multi-state cannabis operators, announced it's making a $25 million investment into a new state-of-the-art cannabis cultivation, production, and retail facility in Texas. Turning Point Brands announced an $8.7 million strategic investment in Docklight Brands. They make Marley Natural Cannabis and Marley CBD. And finally, mark your calendars for our next virtual event, the State of Psychedelic Investing, on May 13th at 3 p.m. Eastern. The registration link is on the website. And that's the big news this week. I'm Deborah Borchardt for the Green Market Report.